If your PC is showing signs of slow performance, or perhaps it stopped responding altogether, follow these 6 troubleshooting steps to help resolve system performance issues. We recommend removing any external peripherals before troubleshooting. This helps with determining if the issue is with the computer or a connected device, such as a printer or docking station. Restarting your computer clears the system memory and ensures that any errant processes and services which have started are shut down. If your computer is in constant use, you should restart it at least once a week. Scan and optimize your system using Dell Support Assist. In the search box, type Support Assist and select it. Then simply click on Start Now to run all the optimization tests. Diagnostic tests help with checking hardware devices to verify if they are working correctly. Run the Dell built-in enhanced pre-boot system assessment test, known as the EPSA test. Click on the link that appears above. You can also refer to our video on EPSA tests and logs for additional information. Both of these links are in the description. If the EPSA doesn't identify the cause, go to dell.com/support to run Dell's online diagnostics. Enter your service tag or click on Detect PC. Go into the Diagnostics tab, click on Full Test, and follow the instructions. Use an antivirus to run a thorough or deep scan on your PC. Windows 10 computers have Windows Defender built in. Most Dell computers come with basic McAfee antivirus software pre-installed. Be aware that installing more than one antivirus or anti-malware software on your computer does not give you better protection, but it will slow down your computer even further. Use Microsoft Windows System Restore to help fix certain types of crashes and other computer problems.